This is a clip from my live stream video. I am expecting higher prices in Nasdaq, so I plotted first presented fair value gap after 9:30 and a small BISI and anticipated as price to run higher, so I executed with one lot. Just wait. So this is a proper sign, so I executed one lot by putting a stop loss just underneath the low and expecting higher prices from this order block. So price is reacting. We have tons of buy side liquidity listings above the highs, so those levels are my targets. I am seeking some kind of speed from the buy side liquidity to hold this further. We got nice speed. Now the next draw is 23,800, 830 levels. Also we have some minor levels of liquidity areas, so I'm watching. As you know, I am holding only one position, so I'm taking full closure here by securing $152 as a balance. Now I am expecting 60-minute CP for next draw liquidity. So yeah, price is just consolidating. So these are my executions. You can see it now. Again, nice reactions from this. We are expecting buy side liquidity to trigger. Just now it triggered. Now we have seen, or you have seen, this small little imbalance. We are watching this again. If in case price comes back to this imbalance, we will anticipate that price is likely to reach higher. Okay, price traded to 60-minute CP. Now the next strong liquidity is 4H IOFT level. These are my extra thing to ignore the boredom. Yeah, this is the levels we are expecting. We can enter one more positions here, but I don't do it because of risk management trick. So now I'm expecting higher prices again from this imbalance. Price is just taking a lot of time, small little time, before moving ahead. Nice reaction from previous buy side liquidity levels. Now I'm expecting higher prices. We have this 4H IOFT levels, so price expanded from same levels which I marked earlier, imbalance. Now we are expecting higher prices. Again, the price is taking time to just hold. Again we have imbalance. We are expecting one more positions to add up here and accumulate more positions to trade higher. The green line is the ultimate draw, which is midnight opening prices, and this is 4H IOFG. We are seeking some kind of reversals from this level. We have new area of accumulations, so suppose you can enter here and anticipate the midnight opening price, which is a green line. You will able to capture 60 handles, which cost you around $120 per lot. So we are doing this thing daily, on daily basis, Monday to Friday at 9-10 9:10 EST. You can watch me live doing these trades. Okay, price is taking a lot of time, but we are sure that the price will reach higher to target green line, which is the midnight opening prices. Also price is making SMT here, but we don't care about this. Now expecting higher prices. Okay, trigger, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can join us live on daily basis Monday to Friday at 9:30 or 9:10 EST.